and 6. Trust in the Lord with all thine heart, and lean not into thine own understanding. With all thy ways acknowledge him, and he shall direct thy path.
John 1:1.
John 1:1. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God.
1 Thessalonians 5:17.
Pray without ceasing.
John 3:16.
For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth on him should not perish, but have everlasting life.
Hebrews 13:8.
Uy, kabalo naman ko na.
Sige.
Hebrews 13:8. For the Son of Man.
Dili.
Sabi na.
Ingon ka, kabalo ka. Jesus.
Jesus Christ the same yesterday and forever.